Hello everyone, this is Bala Sahib Terle. Today we are discussing about the software engineer and project manager. In this subject, the topic is computer-aided software engineering. That is a case. What is a case? Case is a nothing but computer-aided software engineering tools according that we can develop automated software for testing tools, for maintenance tools, for development tools. There are so many tools are available of computer-aided software engineering. Nowadays, everything has to go faster because of the increasing speed of changing market demand. New products replace old ones much earlier than before. Thus, the production line has to be developed faster. So, a very important role in the development is software engineering. In past, software systems were built using traditional development techniques. This is too much costly and time consuming. As well as to speed up the software system building a process, a new concept of designing software is introduced in the 1970s called as computer-aided software engineering. This is the use of software tools to help in the development and maintenance of software. Software systems that are intended to provide automated support for software process activities. That is, we use some software to develop another software. Why need of case tools? In software development, first always looking for such case tools that help them in many different ways during the different development stages of the software. They can understand the software and prepare a good end product that efficiently fulfills the user requirements. Case tools provide the ways that can fulfill the requirement of software developers. These tools provide computerized setting to software developers to analyze a problem and then design the system model. Case, for you are using the case for planning point of view, analysis point of view, design point of view, implementation point of view, testing and maintenance. According there are two parts, is upper case and lower case. Here in upper case, planning, analysis and design you can choose, and implementation, testing and maintenance is a lower case. And according the entire this phases are called as integrated case. Then using case allows the designer, code writers, testers, planners and managers to set a common view of where a project stands at each stage of development. Why case tools are developed? Main purpose of the case tool is to decrease the development time and cost and increase the quality of software. Case tools are developed for the following reasons. Firstly, quick installations, time saving by reducing the coding and testing time, increase graphical techniques and data flow, enhance analysis and design development, create and manipulate documentations, the speed during the system development increase. How organizations use case tools? To standardize the development process, that is rapid application development the RAD model according to improve the speed and quality of system developments. Next is testing. Testing, it helps in improving the testing process through automated checking and simplified program maintenance. Documentation, it improves the quality and uniformity and ensure the completeness of documentations. Project management, it improves the project management activity and to some extent automates various activities. Reduce the maintenance cost. Use of CASE tools makes the software easy to maintain and reduce the maintenance cost. From automation of various activities of system development and management process increase the productivity of the development team. CASE tools. The major category of CASE tools are diagram tools, project management tools, documentation tools, web development tools, quality assurance tools, and maintenance tools. You can see it one by one. Diagram tools. These tools are used to represent system components, data, and control flow among the various software components and system structure in a graphical form. That is generally using diagram tools, data flow, marker tools, DFD, data flow diagrams, ERD, entity relationship diagrams, as well as you can use unified modeling language, that is UML diagram also for to showing the diagram tools. Next, project management tools. These tools are used to project planning, cost and effort estimation, project scheduling, and resource planning. And one of the most popular tools for project management tool is Creative Pro Office. In Creative Pro Office, according with the management tools. Next is documentation tools. In documentation tools, generate a document for technical user and end user. Training manuals, installation manuals, user manuals can be generated by documentation tools. That is, example is Dr. Explain is a documentation tools. Then Dr. Explain are used in automated software development point of view, that is robots. These tools are used. Then next is web development tools. These tools assist in design web pages with all allied elements like forms, text, script, graphics, and so on. Web tool also provide live preview of what is being developed and how will it look after completion. The Adobe Edge Inspect is one of the most popular web development tools are nowadays available in the market. Next is quality assurance tool. The quality assurance in a software organization is monitoring the engineering process and methods. Develop the software product in order to ensure conformance of quality as per organization standards. There is example is JMeter. JMeter is Apache JMeter, full support for the quality assurance point of view. You can test the code to the JMeter. Next is maintenance tools. Software maintenance includes modification in the software product after it is delivered. Example, Bugzilla for detect and tracking. Here, in Bugzilla 2, it is open source software and open source tracker according client server web-based applications architecture. You can use it is the Bugzilla allows you can open source, that is Linux, Apache servers. Backend is a MySQL or Oracle you can use. Programming language TCL or Perl, or any web browser you can use for the this maintenance tool point of. Advantages of case. Case tools improve the quality and productivity of the software. Produces systems that more closely meet user needs and requirements. Produces systems with excellent documentation. Tools are more effective for large-scale systems. Produce a more flexible system. Case tools reduce the time for error corrections and maintenance point of view. Some disadvantages of case: very complex tools, not easily maintained point of view. Good quality case tools are very expensive because quality never free. Quality, suppose you have to require the quality, you have to pay the more money. That's why according that case tools are very expensive. Required training and maintenance of, suppose you are using any automated tool, you have to record the training as well as maintenance point of view staffs. May be difficult to use with the existing system. Suppose you are using the case tool for the existing system, it is very difficult because the system is developed. What types of tools is not known. According to the what types of tools are used, that is generally in we are using the existing system tool, that is a black box testing type, or to go to the functionality to root, or that is a reverse engineering. Here there are so many references and case tools, and case tools is a very important today's scenario for development of point of view. RAD model, then prototype model, then increment model, as well as spiral model also. You can use the case, and in evolutionary development point of view, these case tools is very important because it reduces the number of risks in software development before they become a serious problem. It is a very suitable for very high risk project, and it is used only the big project, not in a small project. That is can use the large software development. Thank you for watching this video.